Hi, my name is Tesch, and I'm the building manager here at Trinity. I was asked to give an update on the status of our church after the storm. Little history with the storm is, of course, the valley this year had a storm 5 days, about 80 to 100 mile an hour sustained, 10 below to 5 above, and we lost power for 2 days. This in turn froze all 3 of our mechanical rooms up around this big old building and created a lot of heavy water damage. We lost the sacristy, and part of the sanctuary was flooded back behind me here. So we had quite a bit of damage. Part of the problem was that with the power being out, everyone in the area was affected. So it was hard to get the heat fixed and the pipes fixed. So it's been a process. We went through 2 weeks without any kind of heat until they could get out here and just start repairing pipes. We had 40 to 50 burst pipes within 3 mechanical rooms. Those mechanical rooms, the boilers cracked and froze, along with 2 pressure tanks, an air handler, and just a lot of ceiling and wall damage and floor damage. We had a goal at the beginning of this that we'd try to get through this and be strong. The rebuilding of the church itself, as far as the restoration and the fixing of all the pipes, we were not sure if that was going to be covered. What the insurance so far has covered is about 40 to 50% of the overall cost of this, cost being which it was anywhere at the end of this all will be about 100 to 120,000. Want to say thank you very much to Alan at LSS and Bishop Shelley at the Synod for coming through and helping us out at the beginning. We just could not have got started without that help. To get the restoration company working and some of the mechanics fixed that we needed to get fixed, and the damage repaired that was damaged. The damage to the building, besides the mechanical rooms, we lost the ceiling in our sacristy, which flooded the sanctuary where I sit. We've just put a fresh coat of paint on it. Thank you, Janet Jacobs and Dina, for helping with that. And so it looks pretty good, and we're in the rebuild mode step by step. So it's progressing. We're waiting for another, hopefully, second check from the insurance company to cover some of the further damage that we've found after the initial repairs were happening. So, we're going to make it through this, and we're going to be strong.